Here's our... Hi guys, how are you today? Today we're gonna make something which is all over my feed. It's a tomato... Oh, it's a tomatini? Martini, yeah. It's tomato martini, but obviously we're not gonna do a tomato martini. We're gonna do a tomato margarita. Our tomato margarita. As you know me, another margarita for me. Tomato margarita. So let's grab our stuff and then crack on doing it. You'll need a couple of mini tomatoes, tequila, some lime, and instead of my triple sec, I'm gonna go with my hot chili peppers in brine. Let's go. Come on. So I'm here with our main ingredients. You place them down. I've got everything ready and set. So as I mentioned, I've been seeing this tomato martini. I don't know if it's summer specialty to make cocktails with tomato, but I thought why not give it a try and make a margarita with it? And that's our garnish there. I'm gonna prep my salty rim, and then we can do the rest of the stuff. I'm gonna cut a lemon in half. Let me bring a proper knife. I hate this knife. I'm back with my knife. Cut a lime in half. We're gonna do half a rim because like previously I was doing all full rim in my other videos, but now I'm gonna go with half. So if you don't like to taste the salt in every sip, you can just go and do it my way as well. Like don't go over the whole thing. And I've got this fancy greenish salt, which I'm going to use. I'm going to pour a bit over here. I think this should be more than enough. Tap, tap, tap. Ta-da! Let's go and pop this in the freezer and bring ice so we can put everything together. So let's put this glass to chill and take our shaking ice. So what I'm going to do is I have this cute sapphire mold, which I'm going to take one. That one, drop one inside my glass. So while it chills, I've got my ice ready as well. Actually, should I put two? Let's put two. Everything fell off. And take my shaking ice out, the generic rectangular ones. Come on, let's go and shake things up. Let's go and start making our margarita. To do so, what I'm going to do, you need to take out your shaker, and I'm going to cut my tomatoes in half to make it easier for me to basically muddle. So that's one, that's two, and you need 5 tomatoes, like roughly. That's 3. Oh. Perfecto. Once you've sliced your tomatoes up, just drop them all inside your shaker. It's more than enough. I'm gonna have this one. You take out your muddler, juice half a lime inside your shaker. It's like I'm preparing a salad for myself, but a boozy one. And start muddling. I'm thinking sprinkle a bit of salt as well to make it even taste nicer. We're gonna add the main ingredient in, which is 60 ml of tequila. Instead of adding triple sec, I'm trying to be doing a bit more of an experiment for myself. I have this hot chili peppers in brine. I want to make it a bit spicy, so I'm thinking of adding 30 ml of this in. That's nice. Take one out for my garnish. Grab one. Woohoo! Take out that one. Or is that too much? We'll see. Now you need to add your ice and start shaking. Hate this hard ice molds. That's our ice. Let's shake it up. This is perfect. Ooh, it's a bit spicy. I might take that pepper off. Let's go and bring our glass. And here's our beautiful chilled glass with our salt rim. Make sure it's all well mixed. Strain it in now. If you don't like that pulpiness and tomato seeds, maybe double strain it, but I don't mind them, so I'm just gonna use a normal strain. And voila! Here is our tomato margarita. Ta-da! I haven't tasted it, but it smells fab, so probably it's gonna taste nice. I hope it's gonna taste nice. I mean, let's give it a taste. On the side. Cheers! Woo! It's spicy, quite spicy, but it's delicious. It's like, it tastes like a salad dressing, but it got that tequila kick, which makes it perfect for your summer, which makes a perfect summer cocktail, to be fair. I quite enjoy this. It reminds me of, what's that thing? The cocktail with the tomato juice. Bloody Mary. It reminds me of Bloody Mary, but like it's a bit different, which I quite like it. And I'm really happy that I replaced the triple sec with this hot chili peppers in brine because it has that kick. Maybe I should have used 15 ml rather than 30. So when doing so, just be mindful that it might make your cocktail a bit too spicy, but I don't have any problem with spices, so I'm happy with that. But yeah, it's hot. Cheers. Thanks for watching, guys. We're the Tipsy Duo. Don't forget to like and subscribe, leave a comment, let me know if you've ever tried a tomato margarita before. I'm still thinking about the tomatini, but I'm gonna make that one, promise. And yeah, give it a try. Let me know how you find it. Cheers!